Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today, where I will be talking all about the Ecoegg Laundry Eggs. There are not many reviews online that are really that honest, I don't think, and not many reviews where people have been using them for a long time. I've been using my Ecoegg now, this one here, for about a month, and I've just bought my second one. So I thought I would give you a bit of a honest review really about the pros and the cons of using the Ecoegg. Before I go into the reasoning of why I've got two, because there is a good reason for it, I'll quickly just show you how the Ecoegg works. And in short, the Ecoegg is a laundry detergent replacement. So I always before this just used normal washing powder, but you know, there's loads of different products out there and we all have the one that we like to use. So here is the inside of your Ecoegg. It's full of lots of different pellets. You've got two types of pellets. I don't know if you can see there very easily, but there's some black pellets and there are some white ones. The black pellets are tourmaline, and you get one packet when you first get the Ecoegg, and you never have to replace those. But the kind of white ones there are your mineral pellets, and they are the ones that need replacing over time. So they are kind of the detergent really. And then you just get it in a couple of packets and put it all together, and there you go, it's ready to go. Now, when you get your Ecoegg, it will come with a certain amount of washes. When I got this one from the VeganKind Discovery box, this one was called 50 washes. So it just came with enough pellets to do about 50 washes. And then I got another one here, which is this pink one. And this one here came with, it was like enough for 210 washes. I got this on Amazon actually, and I think this is the older packaging. They have some like really nice, kind of nicer looking packaging now, which is like a brown cardboardy box, which looks really nice, which is what this one came in. But this product's been around for many years, so obviously they just relaunched with their new packaging. And this one here, let's have a look actually, because I've been using this one for about a month now. And this one here, probably I must do about 20 washes a week, because my daughter's 3 and she's been potty trained now for 2 years, but she still has accidents at night. So I'm quite often changing the bed linen over, but with 2 children in school uniforms now as well, you know, I'm just forever doing the washing. So I've probably used this one about 30 times, or well, probably not. I've probably used this actually about more than 50 times now. And as you can see there, that's just got the 2 lots of pellets in. And this one here, I've literally just put together now. So you can kind of see the difference. I think these ones here, which are tipping out everywhere, are a little bit bigger than these. So as they wash, they will deplete even more. The Ecoegg has some really basic instructions. Basically, you can use it anywhere between 15 to 60 degrees centigrade, and you know when to replace or refill the pellets, and that is when it goes below the halfway point. But like I said, I've been using this for ages, and it seems you know, it's still cleaning pretty well. You can get it in you get it in 2 fragrances, but you also get a fragrance free. So the blue one here is fresh linen, and that smells like all of the other things that are, you know, that fresh linen perfume that you get in other laundry detergents or candles. And you have one here, which is the pink one, and that's called Spring Blossom. And do you know what? This actually reminds me of a perfume that I used to have years ago by Ralph Lauren. So it's really, really nice. The only kind of downside with the fragrance is the fresh linen that I had was really good for about 5 weeks. Oh, sorry, 5 washes, and then it doesn't smell anymore. I mean, if you sniff it, it does still smell of the fresh linen, but it doesn't leave any smell on your clothes anymore, unfortunately. And this one is obviously brand new, so it works for, you know, a good few washes, but after that, it doesn't smell of anything whatsoever. A lot of people like to have fragrance-free, you know, detergent, but I'm not a fan of it. I really like my clothes to come out smelling really nice, but I haven't found anywhere online that says you can't use it with normal fabric conditioner, and I have on a few occasions used it with fabric conditioner, and it's not, made these smell funny or go funny in any way, shape or form. So I think you can definitely use this and then put your normal fabric conditioner in. And even from like an environmental point of view, using one of these is just so much less packaging than using even, the normal washing powder that comes in cardboard boxes. This is kind of the only packaging that you get, and this is enough for 210 washes. In my house, I think that's less than a year's, washing, but many people only use the washing machine a couple of times a week, and definitely it is such, so much less packaging than using, the normal ones. But I would say I really have been getting on so well with these. I've been using it, like I said, a month now. The only downside for me really is that you definitely, aren't going to have a fragrance after using it for very long. And also, I would not recommend this for white bed linen or anything white. My children have white polo shirts at school and I have white bed linen. And I can tell you now, you're not going to get a tomato stain out with using these. However, normal detergent, you're not really easily going to get a tomato stain out of either. But I do use normal washing powder for my white bed linen and for the white shirts from school. But everything else, these are absolutely amazing for. When you use it in the washing machine as well, it does froth up, so you can see that it really is working. And a colleague of mine, that when I said, oh my goodness, I've got this Ecoegg, what do you, have you heard of it? She'd already been using it for a year, and she definitely, would recommend it. I'm a gardener, so I spend a lot of time getting really muddy outside and things like that. And I did find I had some really muddy jeans, and when I washed them, obviously mud isn't really staining, but you could see a residue of the stains on the jeans when I'd finished using them. So if you've got anything that's like really, really muddy, it's not going to get out. Now, I know with the Ecoegg, you can buy ones that have whitening balls in as well. So maybe that would be good for using on your the kids' polo shirts or the white bed linen. So I can't really comment on that, but I would continue using just normal detergent for those. But honestly, I really am sold on how good these are. I've used these on CSP as well, and it's not 100% like using normal detergent, but it's definitely clean when it comes out, and I would continue just to use it on those. I cloth nappied my daughter. She's been potty trained now since she was 2 years old, but she still does go to bed with like nighttime kind of like, really padded pants on basically. And she still has quite a few accidents. And I have noticed that when you use these in the washing machine, there is no smell left over on those, because with the cloth nappies, even with normal detergent, I still found that you would get kind of like a build up and a residue smell in those nappies, but you don't with these. And I would recommend, if you do use them, if you do use cloth nappies, that you would be able to use these, but not on kind of the soiled ones, just really on the ones that have had wee on basically. And you might find like you want to do a strip wash or something like that every now and then, but I would really recommend using these. Now, if you are wondering why I've got two, being a proper consumer here, the reason is that this actually only works up to 6.8 kilograms in the washing machine, and I've got a 9 kilogram washing machine. So what I've done is I've got two. It does suggest that you do use two or more over the 6 to 8 kilogram washing machines. So I've got two. I've not used this one yet, but I'm going to start using them together. I only been using it for a month now, but I really would recommend giving this a go. Or asking around, some of your friends might have one of these at the back of the cupboard that they didn't get on with. Ask around, because they might lend you theirs or, give you their one, because it is just really worth it. My husband got his with the VeganKind Discovery box this month, but it's is November now and we're just coming towards the end of the month, but I did see you can still get that discovery box online, and I think they give you £5 off. So have a look there if you're interested in getting one yourself, or if you want somewhere else that you can get it from, I also got this one off of Amazon. So I'll put the links below for all of the products that I've talked about in today's video down below. I hope this video has been really helpful for you if you are interested in using it. I've gone on for absolutely ages talking about this, but I really do recommend it. You know, you're not going to get the really, you know, amazing perfume smell that we are so used to, but you can, I think, use it with normal fabric conditioner anyway. So yeah, there you go. That is what my thoughts on using the Ecoegg are. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, please do hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you're notified of all of my latest videos. YouTube have some videos up here on the screen that they think you'll like, so please go ahead and watch those, and I will catch up with you in the next episode. Bye!